Hello everyone, my name is Irina Kabak and you are on my channel. I am a makeup artist and a skincare therapist. Today I wanted to talk about uniqueness, about what's trendy right now, but the trends that are not boring. I will be talking about how to make your look interesting with a minimum cost. So some looks on a budget, some little things that you can do for yourself to make yourself look a little bit more interesting, not like everyone else. A little history about that. So when I was growing up in Russia, 93, 94, there was this girl that passed my house every day. And she was wearing the most beautiful, the most unique earrings in the shapes of fruits and very bright colors, like very bright t-shirts with the belts on top of them. And she would wear a t-shirt as a dress. She would wear like a very bright shoes or slippers. She was an inspiration for me at that point. Fortunately, I didn't have any resources to buy anything like that at that point, but right now I'm getting back to that, and I really like to not be boring, and my look is always a little bit less boring than anybody of my age. I'm 34, but I like to be interesting, I like to be bright. So today I will tell you about some ways to make your look appear a little bit more interesting on a budget. So if you are interested, please stay with me. And also subscribe, comment below what do you like to do for yourself to look interesting. If you're interested in how to make your look a little bit more interesting on a budget, please stay with me. Okay, so the first way of making anybody's look a little bit more interesting is neon color, and it's a really great way, especially right now because neon is in trend this spring and this summer. And I know not a lot of people like this look, but I think that just one piece in your wardrobe, even if it's just an accessory, if it's neon color, it actually will make your look a little brighter. So in my case, what I did for spring and summer, I bought this t-shirt, and I bought it in Walmart in men's department. You know that those t-shirts that men wear when they are working outside and they need to be noticed. I guess that's what that for. And this is a size S, but do you see it's kind of like a little bit oversized on me, but at the same time it's not too big. So I rolled my sleeves a little bit to make it look a little girly and maybe even a little bit more trendy. But I'm going to wear this t-shirt throughout spring and summer. It's only $5. And they also have bright orange color if somebody prefers that. So either this or bright orange, and your look is upgraded to something more interesting. The second way is to use unconventional accessories. If you never used any bright accessory, if you want to start somewhere, I would start with the earrings, and because earrings are very inexpensive to get. You can get several pairs of something really interesting, and as I said, it could be neon color. In my case, I like something plastic or just the shape of the earrings that is a little bit unconventional. So not just a stud, not just a little earring that your mom gave you for your 14th or 16th birthday. Something like this, for example. This is plastic and it actually has white and gray color. It's very light. Plastic that looks like stone is very trendy right now, so something like this will be really interesting to wear. And even with this t-shirt, it's not too much. You also can get for example, a corset belt, and I do have it on me, so I'll just get up so you can kind of see. So this corset belt is white. I wanted it to match my earrings. I got it at Charlotte Russe, I think, so I'm gonna be wearing it on top of my t-shirt, and it's a really great way to upgrade any boring outfit. The other way to accessorize but don't spend too much money on it and to be unique is to create something from unusual objects My husband brought this paper clips that he got for me in Japan. They are triangle paper clips. So what I did, I just connected them and I made a necklace from them. And I am totally going to wear this in the spring and summer on top of something black. This will be amazing on top of just a regular black t-shirt, but you can make it yourself. There are so many paper clips, there are different colors. You can make it longer or shorter. The third way to make yourself to look a little bit more interesting and unique is to use bright makeup. Don't be afraid to use at least one bright item in your makeup. It could be just on bright eyeliner, it could be bright eyeshadow or bright lipstick. I dare you to try it because I think everybody can sport it with any outfit. If you just line your eyes with blue eyeliner, it will already make your makeup a little bit more interesting. You also can use a bright colored mascara. Right now they are really trendy. Whatever you decide to do, this way you can upgrade your look to something more unique. So the fourth way to make your look a little bit more unique and unusual is to use a temporary hair color. There are so many hair colors right now. Please research. Some of them are not cruelty free. I use Pravana, which is a cruelty free hair color. I applied the light pink color on top of my hair, like just on top part, and I did a couple of streaks of magenta in the middle. So this will wash off. This will be fading really quickly. If your work, for example, doesn't allow you to do something like that, you can just do it underneath your hair, for example, and put your hair in a ponytail or in a little bun. They cannot see at work, but when you get your hair out, it actually will reveal itself like this. So if you want to make your look unique, this is one of the ways that you can do it. You can just put some streaks in your hair like this. So those were the ways that you can make yourself look more interesting and less boring. Those are the ways that you can upgrade your wardrobe and your everyday style with. I hope you like this video, guys. Be unique, be yourself. Don't listen to what others have to say. If you feel that you want to wear this or that, please do it. Don't ever try to fit in a box. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.